I offer my help because first I'm Luxembourgish, also I'm Chinese as you see, and I've been in Luxembourg for 20 years. My day starts 2 o'clock in the morning because I need to wake up according to the Chinese time, 7 hours different. We need to wake up and contact the Chinese side and find the reliable supplier because at the moment it's really difficult to find medical goods and bring to Luxembourg and even to buy it. So that was a hard mission every day.
The reason I'm here is to utilize my experience and knowledge to help Luxembourg to do the procurement in China. Due to the language barrier, business culture difference, my contribution would help the team to improve the efficiency.
I was asked by friends, Luxembourgish friends, whether I could come and help with at the Crisis Management Center because I'm Korean and I speak the language. So if there were any issues with communications, I could help out. Currently, I'm looking for machines that are used for the corona testing kits. There is a shortage out of Korea for the specific ones we're looking for, so trying to figure out how to get those.